evaluate the stupidity of the ships. And obviously you're not stupid, you're all very smart. You will wear blindfolds. The ships will know which ship is being called, right?
Ship smells. Can you smell it? This brown ship smells weird.
Yeah.
No.
Getting up to splash my face, wanting just to stay away, wondering how much I can take. Should I try to do some more? 25 or 6 to 4.
And now you can sit on the road. From the beginning.
If it's not it, we need money.
Yeah, but people would.
We need the support of politicians to help us sell our products.
Organic food?
It's not
But
enough.
it's not enough. It's not enough. But even though
If people know,
because
it is enough.
We have to
no, because the ingredients it's not enough because the ingredients no.
we have
And this way, consumers will have high quality, cheaper food. Retailers will sell it because it's a fashion. And
Cool, really good, really good.
Wolno! Stop music! Whistles and they're all
Throw 'em up for the PSA. Throw 'em up for the PSA. Three fingers, salute. There ain't no doubt about it. Wanna jump up and scream and shout it. Oh, good in my uniform, 'cause baby, I was born to be the sky. Is my destiny. The only thing I ever really wanted to be. Red socks below my knee, 'cause baby, I was born to be the sky. Scout, be a scout. Cause baby, I was born to be the scout. Scout, scout, be a scout. Cause baby, I was born to be
That's the
Here comes the scout master. Drive the scout will be a little faster. Step on the gas, are we there yet? I wanna build a bridge for my eagle project. Yeah, see, I'm the real scout ranger. Got my spirit stick to keep me out of danger. Be prepared. Yeah, that's my motto. We're keeping it stacked like Baden's grotto. Ha! The girls love me though, cause I've been looking real good in my neckerchief, yo. But one thing y'all need to know is I'm a funky weebalo. Ain't no doubt about it. I wanna jump up and scream and shout it. Looking good in my uniform, cause baby, I was born to be a scout. She is my
will finish eating, just please don't go away. We have some more information, some more movies. And then you should try our Lithuanian cheeses. They're from the cow's milk, and most of them are baked or smoked with a lot of spices. So
my baby early in the morning. This is story from Fat Pony. This is story of Fat Pony. This is story of Big Fat Pony. Early in the morning. Front, my baby back, my baby side, my baby early in the morning. Ooh, ah, Guantanamera. Ooh, ah, Guantanamera.
what kind of project you're participating in?
Let's do it in nature.
Thank you. Let's clean it.
Who can take your trash out? Stomp it down for you. Shake the plastic bag and do the twisty thingy too. The garbage man.
Oh, the garbage man can.
The garbage man can, and he does it with a smile and never judges you.
3, 4, 5.
Can take the styrofoam.
2, 3, 4, 5.
I don't mind at all.
Who can clean me up before the big policeman's ball? The garbage man.
Yes, the garbage man can.
The sanitation folks are jolly friendly blokes, courteous and easygoing. They mop up when you're overflowing and tell you when your arse is showing.
Who can?
Garbage man can.
'Cause he's Homer Simpson and
He cleans the world for you.
The prize goes to Bulgaria. Bottles and a metal thing.
How do you feel about your national evening?
Food. I like it. I like that everybody like the food. Yeah.
Okay, there's some more food left, so
There is. For tomorrow
you,
even.
yeah, you made enough.
Yeah, actually more than
And
enough.
you are still baking, as I can see.
Yeah. That's the last.
The last one.
$180 years of first mentioning of city of Kamnik, so that means it's quite old town, and it's one of the nicest medieval towns in Slovenia.
Using water from pipes or you use a bottle one?
From pipes.
From pipes. Why?
Because we have clean water.
Or use.
From pipes. Why?
Okay.
Because it's cheaper.
Enjoy herbs to stay alive, like fully, potentially. If you grow them, if you have a garden, it connects you with 4 beings of the elements.
And here's the biscuit cake.
Oh, it looks
Yeah, and here's the EST, this means Estonia. And what is it? I don't know myself, so maybe you're the first one. So we'll try, yeah? And if you're not dead, so everybody can taste it. Okay.
Just a joke, another sight to see. Welcome to Estonia. Moving fast on the slowest plane.
take a jacket.
Okay.
Because we won't run, you know. We will be more calm.
All the pictures.
First step is attention. The second step is give and receive. And the third step is just to be there.
What about sunrise? What about rain? What about all the things that you said we were to gain? What about killing fears? Is there a time? What about all the things that you said was yours and mine? Did you ever stop to notice all the blood we shed before? Did you ever stop to notice this crying earth, this weeping shore?
Came back, and then when we get up, it was as if they were wet, but they're not. I checked.
What have we done to them? Look what we've done. What about all the peace that you pledged your only son?
Without.
What about all we feel?
I tend to speak very fast. I tend to speak in strange words. So please stop me if you don't know what I'm saying or if I'm speaking too fast.
I will talk to you today about protected areas in Slovenia, a little bit about biodiversity. This is Triglav National Park, 3 levels.
So guys, here we are. We start to prepare your dinner for tonight. So first of all, we want to show you our ingredients for the meal, for the dinner. This food is named tokitură. We don't know how to say it in English, so we'll say in Romanian. We will learn it. We have to say, guys, that we never cook. Yeah, it's the first time. So at a small fire, I think 1 or 2 hours. I have to say. Oh, the pot is hot. So from now on, it has to boil, and guys, we will see you in 2 hours. Bye.
Mămăligă with cream, okay? This is traditional sausage made in Romania. Also we have drinks, so have a nice meal. Poftă bună!
And he also worked with this wood, and all these farms around, they collect waste wood that you cannot have it for like furniture or things like that. They bring this wood to him, and he has this machine that smash wood to these small pieces.
Srdci ja nazaj si želim, po zimi mi smut și poleti celim, vesela vsa družba v Ukrajini, Bistrica zvesto šumi, kot solza kristalna si Bistrica ti. Grem v planine, medočake stare sine, kamniški lepi god, zalepšeni nekje drugod. Grem v planine, medočake stare sine, kamniški lepi god, zalepšeni nekje drugod.
Cow shit, my shit, clay, snow, dirt, rocks.
Don't forget the cow.
Cow. Andrei.
Medočake stare sine, kamniški lepi god, zalepšeni nekje drugod. Zimni smuči poletice vi, vesela so družba vrhu planin, dolini pa Bistrica zvesto šumi, kot solza kristalna si Bistrica ti. Grem v planine, medočake stare sine, kamniški lepi god, zalepšeni nekje drugod. Grem v planine, medočake stare sine, kamniški lepi god, zalepšeni nekje drugod.
Go, 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 go.
Hungry.
Would be a translation, or we say kislo zelje. Yeah, kiselo mleko, kislo zelje, you understand it, yeah.
Ega see ka väga ei lähe, kui siin kõrvalteedel sõidad. Siin ka, noh? Jaa.
4 kilometers, 0.1 long. The deepest point is 45 meters.
Cât? 4 metri?
4 metri! 45! 45 de metri!
Adâncime?
Da!
Ok. Very good.
time.
It's beer time. We decided to create e-nature TV, which is a window of nature, and you can see also the E in e-nature, like the electronic stuff and everything. And of course we represent our monster is Primus, the scout. He's e-naturing himself. And the cranes and on the tree are the antenna or satellite. Imagine it. They gather the energy from the trees.
Guys like that destroying religion for us. It's our will of our belief in the current place. And they are actually on the line of big change. So that's
Yeah, because the idea was to make an eco monster, so we thought let's do a monster, a combination of aliens, vampires, but there is no morty.
Is this like warrior, like aggressive, or in a warrior or something?
I don't think so. I mean,
It's our project theme, clean energy.
We put the group of Bulgaria.
Maybe for the end, I would just take, if you can make one really good applause for our organizer, coordinator.
What about sunrise? What about rain? What about all the things that you said we were to gain?